Yo, I just got done detailing my car. Dude, I did a good job. Really, really good job. But I'm always doing a good job, especially when it comes to my car. I mean, I vacuumed it. I don't have, my kids with me. Um, so I don't have passengers in my car. You know what I'm saying? Even when I had my kids with me, I always kept my car clean. But, I did a good job vacuuming the carpet, vacuuming the rugs, vacuum my seats. And I'm always just a clean person, but I'm always proud of myself every time I clean my car. Every time I vacuum it, detail it, and everything. But I'm just a neat freak. Put that 303 protecting on there. I did the windows too. Windex the windows inside and out. Got my tissue paper towel right there. It's my planner, my journal / planner my mom gave me for Christmas or Father's Day, one of them. Yeah, I did a good job. Good job. Man, I love having a clean car. It's like having a clean car, or after you get done cleaning your car, washing it, cleaning it, detailing it, it's like getting out of a hot shower. Like, you just feel refreshed, you just feel clean. I wipe that down back there. Yeah, I did a good job. Real good job. But I go over and beyond, especially when it comes to my car, because it's your shit. So, you know what I'm saying? You cherish something more when it's your shit. You know what I'm saying? You care about it. You care about things more when it's your shit. You know what I'm saying? When it's yours, you actually give a damn what happens to your things. You know what I'm saying? You actually appreciate your shit. But yeah, vacuum the carpets. I'm gonna give me some WeatherTech mats probably soon. Very soon I'm gonna give me some WeatherTech mats. I'll probably do that in the next 2 weeks. Give me some WeatherTech mats. They like 170. We're shipping in the hand, it's like 170, 180. But yeah. Put the 303 protecting on the doors. Let's take a look at the trunk. Backing up the whole trunk. Yeah. Real clean. But yeah, I did a good job vacuuming out. I did a real good job. I just need to get it washed, but it's really cold. Like, it's not really cold, but it's cold. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Yep. Car dirty. I know I want me a Charger or a Challenger, and I want it in the slime pack green. But I think I'm just gonna get me a Charger and the slime pack green. The slime pack green. Slime pack green. They got one, and it's wide body. They got a scat pack at this dealership I know about. So hopefully the next beginning of the year or next year in the spring or summertime I can have one. You know what I'm saying? That's my goal. But, yeah. You know, especially after I turn this one in. I just like the front end of it. It'd be sweet if the Ultima came in this color or the Maxima. It'd be sweet if it came in this blue, this electric blue. Yeah. I did the thing when it come to cleaning. I did the thing. I need to get me some air freshener. Excuse me. This blue clean. Finally got it clean. Alright you guys, I'm gonna wrap up this video. This is your boy X. Appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, a like if you did like the video. Make sure you comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Peace.